Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told in this figure, AD intersects BE. So we have an intersection point at C. We're told that x is equal to 100, and given that, we're asked to find the value of y. So if we just get rid of x right here and just write in 100, this is enough information to find y, even though it might not seem like it, because in this triangle, we have angle DCE plus angle D is y plus angle E is 40. And these three angles are the angles of the triangle CDE, so they have to add up to 180. And it looks like we have two variables here, right? We don't know what angle D is. We don't know what angle DCE is. So it looks like we can't solve for it. But what we have to recognize is because there's an intersection point right here, these two angles, angle DCE and angle BCA, are vertical angles, so they're equal to each other. And we know in this triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle BCA, and the reason I'm using the one-letter terms for these angles is because there's only one angle A, but for angle C, there's two angles, so I'm using the full name to differentiate them. And these are equal to 180. Again, all triangles, their angles add up to 180. We know angle A is 20. We know angle B is X, which we're told is 100. And then plus angle BCA is equal to 180. So 20 plus 100 is 120, plus angle BCA, we're told is, or we found is equal to angle DCE, so we can just plug that right in here. And that's equal to 180, and now we can solve for angle DCE, which is what we need to solve this equation over here. So if we subtract 120 from both sides, the angle DCE is equal to 180 minus 120, or 60. So plugging in 60 into this equation, we get 60 plus y plus 40 is equal to 180. 60 plus 40 is 100, plus y is equal to 180. Subtracting 100 on both sides gives you y alone, because these cancel. You get y is equal to 180 minus 100, which is 80. So in this diagram, what is the value of y? 80, or C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.